Hey there, professionals. Today, I've got an incredible story about how Jack turned chaos into success. One day, Jack was given a major project to handle. The deadline was tight, and any mistake could mean going back to square one, means to start over from the beginning. Determined to get it right, he focused on every detail. However, his colleague Ryan kept suggesting unnecessary changes. Jack sighed. "Ryan, I think you're barking up the wrong tree. We need to focus on the actual requirements, not random ideas." Means to pursue a mistaken or misguided course of action. As the project progressed, Jack noticed his manager beating around the bush whenever he asked for feedback. Means to avoid getting to the point. "Just tell me what needs improvement instead of dodging the question," he thought. Eventually, after days of waiting, he finally received some clarity. "Well, better late than never," he muttered to himself. Means it is better to do something late than not at all. Despite his careful planning, Jack realized he had bitten off more than he could chew. The workload was overwhelming. Means to take on more responsibility than one can manage. To make things worse, the team was struggling to coordinate. Jack decided to break the ice by organizing a quick team-building activity, which helped everyone work together more smoothly. Means to initiate conversation in a social setting. With the deadline looming, Jack burned the midnight oil to complete the project. Means to work late into the night. When the final review was conducted, his team performed well, but a last-minute technical glitch almost derailed everything. Fortunately, they managed to fix it by the skin of their teeth just before the submission. Means narrowly or barely. When the project was a success, Ryan tried to take all the credit. Jack was frustrated, but didn't let it affect him. Instead, he watched as their boss subtly burst Ryan's bubble by pointing out who had done the actual work. Means to bring someone back to reality. Later, Jack's manager approached him with a smile. "You did great, Jack." Jack grinned. "I hope you're not just buttering me up because there's another big project coming my way." Means to flatter someone to gain favor. They both laughed, knowing Jack was now an invaluable asset to the company. Jack had come a long way from his uncertain days. Means to make significant progress. With the right mindset, even setbacks can lead to success. Keep pushing forward, everyone.